Good morning everyone, welcome to Road to OSCP, and today we are going to present a very interesting challenge from Pentesterlab. Though I have not subscribed the Pentesterlab officially, but I am just using the free exercise logged there, and one of the free exercises is the Recon challenge, and after completing this challenge you will have the Recon badge as well. So I'll recommend you to try and before referring the solution. So the problem is all about finding a valid subdomain. The subdomain pattern is changing. Sometimes it is using a character and sometimes it's using a numeric. So what I did, there could be a numerous way to solve this challenge because there are lots of tools out there. But what I did, I just created my own script, and the script is right before you. In which what I did, I just created a list of valid subdomain first. First, I have just created the list of domain, and then I just created a list of valid subdomain. So how would I know that it's a valid subdomain? You just have to use the request module of Python and pass the domain, subdomain list that you have created. And if the status code of that domain or a request is 200, then it's a valid subdomain. And second part, what I did, I just used the Selenium WebDriver for Chrome in Python, and I just passed on each and every valid subdomain to the code, okay, with a timeout of 1 second. So what it is doing, it was just extracting, it was just automating the Chrome, because Selenium is all about automating the browser. So it was just taking out the screenshot of each and every valid website and saving it in a folder, because our ultimate objective is to find out the web page having a flag in red color. Because you see that right now, when I'll execute this script, you'll see that the script is running a bit slow. It is because I am not using any extra or advanced module of Python on multi-threading or multiprocessing. Okay, if you want, I'll just put this script in my Github repository, and after that you can use your improvisation or the modification in the script and find out the speed of the process. But right now the script is just created keeping in mind that the benefit, even the beginners can also get benefit out of it. So just you see that I've already executed the script. It is taking a bit of time, as I told you why it is taking time, because there is an absence of multiprocessing, and it will help you to complete your objective and help you to get the required flag. So I hope that you like the approach, and if you liking the the presentation of us, then keep you can keep subscribing us and recommend to other friends of yours who wants to dive into the field of security. Okay, and we'll be coming to you in another sets of videos of CTF. And till then, thank you, and signing off from Road to OSCP. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye bye.